Much more rain coming later this week. Multiple flood watches have been issued already. Our Devin Truby joins us from the Cosumnes River, which could flood sometime this weekend.
Well, we're taking a look at the Cosumnes River off Jackson Road here in Rancho Murieta. And if you take a look, the river right now is almost at 6 feet. That's just 12 inches from its flood warning monitoring stage. The water moving at a pretty decent pace, and we're seeing a lot of debris left over from the storm earlier this week. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration is projecting flooding to start for the Cosumnes River as early as noon Saturday. Take a look at this chart. It shows the height at 13.7 feet, but some residents say they aren't worried.
Not so much. I think it's, I saw the Cosumnes was going to be a little high in the flood range, but I've lived here my whole life and not too worried about it.
Lucetti was in the area for the last major flood event in February 2017. So was ABC 10, and this was the scene. The river crest at 15.1 feet. This weekend's event will be one of the highest in 5 years. Lucetti feels fortunate the floods have yet to affect him.
The other people that live maybe a little bit lower, it would be more concerning for them, but it wasn't too impactful.
Based on NOAA's prediction, roadways could start flooding on Saturday, and then when the river hits its peak at 13 feet, it will go over the levee, which could cause concern for flooding in homes in Wilton.
All right, thank you very much, Devin. The concern is this is an undammed area, so the South Bank levee in Wilton will be topped if the river hits 13 feet, which will flood areas with homes, as you heard from Mr. Lucetti. The lower lying areas of Wilton would be obviously more affected.